Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Happy Meal Obsessed. She's currently having a challenge giveaway, which all you have to do is send 5 items. That's it. Unfortunately, I'm running a bit late and it's about to end on the 30th, so it must be postmarked by the 30th. Hopefully she'll extend it, and cross your fingers that'll happen so you guys could join in on the fun. So I almost didn't make it. Luckily, I was able to have some free time and am able to make it. So what I decided to make is an handmade DIY embellishment box. So here is my box right here. Let's see if you could see it right there. So I know the glare. I'm going to take off the lid. So all this is a Lori Whitlock file, and it's one of her shadow boxes, which I made into an embellishment box. So all I did to do that is make a lid. So this is my lid right here. So that's all I had to do is make a lid, and it became an embellishment box. So here it is. So the black and white paper here, the pattern paper, is just the reverse side of this pink paper. I didn't want to waste any paper, and so I decided to go with the backing of that, and this is what it looks like. So it is this paper, and the back is the black and white. So this is the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection, and it is one of the newer collections which I absolutely love and have been playing with for a little bit here. And so let's go ahead and fill this embellishment box. I love this shadow box, you guys. Makeshift embellishment box, because it holds so much, and also it looks so nice. Everything's all in its place. So first off, these bows I seen Kayla make, and so I asked her for a tutorial, but unfortunately I couldn't wait for the tutorial, so I went ahead and made them. So hopefully she'll make a tutorial. And these are the Hobby Lobby dupe. So I do have one Hobby Lobby one, and this is it right here. And it comes with a sticky backing. And I have been hoarding this one for so long that when I saw Kayla's last swap, and she made these for Toni, I had to make these. I was determined. So I set out to do that, and I thought it was such a perfect gift for Janai. So there, I'm sure she'll be able to use these, so I'm just going to add them there. So there are 5 bows right there, and they're so easy to make. So I'm not sure if I'm making them right, but Kayla, when she does make hers, she could teach us how. So we're gonna have to wait for her. So if you've been following my Instagram, I've made this little album, and also it's one of my DT projects, the design team projects, and I decided that I would tackle 2 tasks, do my design team, and also use it for Janai's challenge giveaway. And there's nothing inside it. You guys already seen this, most of you. I will link the video in the description below, and I still have not glued this, so it's supposed to be glued right there. But it's just a miniature album, and I left it blank for her. All of the envelopes are empty, so she could use this on someone else. And you know how hard it is to enter challenges and do swaps, that we need some assistance sometimes. So I thought that would be perfect for her. Next, if you've been following my Instagram, you'll know that I made this bead mix to match this collection. And you guys, so these are just all of the matte beads, and I thought they were so fun, and they went with this collection. So it's set. I made them especially for this collection and for Janai. And so I added them to these containers, which I am definitely loving and will be definitely using for my beads at all times. So this is my little container of bead mix. And then I also made this on my Instagram stories. It's just a lid, and I will be doing a tutorial on these pretty soon. I've just been very caught up lately on trying to get into some challenges and also some swaps, and I got some free time recently. Let's go ahead and do the next one. So next, let's add these rosettes. So I made these rosettes. These are, you know, the old-fashioned rosettes, which I do love. I love to make them. And these ones are made by hand, and I did add some stitching. You guys know that my signature center is usually a heart, and it's the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. However, I thought the butterfly would go best with this collection, so let's add them right here. And let's go ahead and put that last one back there. So that is the rosette section. In this little section, my mother made some, I had her make some butterflies, and because I crochet so slow that it would have taken me ages to get through these, so my mom made these for me. My mother, she made these, and I'm gifting them to Janai, so hopefully she will love them. I did also gift them to Angela, love pink dragonflies, in our swap that we had recently. So there are the butterflies, such a cute little piece to gift. And next are the double layered rolled flowers, tongue twister there. So I made her all of these, and I have a video on this which I will link below. So all of this is for Janai, so I'm just gonna add them in here, and so pretty that she can use for any swap or any challenge giveaway, any project that she has. They're so inspired by Lori. Oh, I think I do want to add something else. I think I'm going to add one more bow because I believe it will fit here. So I think it does. And I also want to add these little curlies. I put little clasps on them, and I think this will be such a cute little curly to put on an album or some sort of flip book or something, even a pocket letter, anything. But she has this one, and I'm gonna add two. Again, my mom made these because I crochet slower than a turtle, and so I had her make these, and I think they're so neat. So I'm gonna put them right there. Hopefully she can use them. I have yet to use them. I had her make me more colors. And so that is my embellishment box. Let me go ahead and put the lid on. I love this little box of goodies, and sorry about the glare, but here we are. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead, and I think I want to put this for like wrapping it all up. So let's go ahead and do that. I already pre-measured, so it should fit. And I was gonna use gold elastic, kind of elastic rope, you know, that stuff that you use for like gift boxes. I was gonna use that, but I decided to go with the leaves because it is Maggie Holmes, and you know, all Maggie Holmes go so great, and so I want to add this as well. So let me go ahead and put some glue. So I'm gonna add my little silicone mat under there, and we are gonna glue this together. She might have to cut this open. Knowing Janai, she will cut it open, so it's quite fine. I want her to use it all. So anything that she's able to reuse, she can. So it would be really good. So here we go. And there it is. And another one. I'll use this one. I think my son took my Dollar Tree finger silicone. Okay, there it is. Now let's add this bow right there, you guys. Some more glue. Oh goodness, the string. I don't want the string to come off because it glues down to the acetate. Don't want that to happen. There's the bow, let it dry. This is my embellishment box, you guys, and I hope Janai loves it because I had so much fun making it. I love these. Definitely will be making more, and that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I did enjoy sharing this with you. I will be sharing more of these with you pretty soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, and remember to be happy. I haven't said that in a while, and also there's SVG files in the playlist, so just click the playlist, click SVG files, and that is for my subscribers. Just hit the subscribe button and you're all good to go. So thank you so much. I appreciate this. Stay tuned for another video. And oh, the megaphone is coming very soon. I got caught up, so that is definitely coming very soon. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.